Yeah, I just started.
Nice. Now go forward, like straight and tight. Why is she driving that car? To unblock me so I can make him drive.
I'm trying so hard not to laugh. So this is a video of Leigh. Leigh is trying to back up my car because I'm drinking. So Kristina is trying to direct her. That's her veil and her sash. And she's got her glass of wine. I really think that I would have been a better option. But this is too entertaining to miss. Note to self, I believe I have a tail light out. They're fighting. Kristina thinks she's helping. I got that on camera.
And also we have another...
And...
Leigh, you're a little far to the... You're right.
Never mind what she's saying.
No,
She's got it. You got it. You got it.
You're welcome.
I know. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do about it. I'm too cheap to buy a new one. I've given up that vehicle.
I would not have bought a new mirror either. I will
totally
get you a new mirror for your birthday.
Oh, give me something different.
No, but you need it to pass your safety inspection.
No, I don't.
Really?
It's not a required mirror.
Go away.
Go away, I know.
No, you just said, or Jill just said she checked it. It's not a required mirror. It wouldn't pass mine. Oh.
Fuck.
I'll get you a mirror for your birthday.
Well, the inspection's due at the end of this month, so...
Happy birthday! We'll figure it out.
Terry will buy me one. Maybe. Probably not, actually.
He would.
I don't think so.